Just press play.
Welcome back to another vlog. Alright, so what I got already set is I finally ordered a oil cooler. Finally got it in today. I'm going to install it tomorrow. I was going to do it today, but I'm like, nah, I gotta be at work. So no, yeah, I have to be at work, so I went ahead and just set it to the side. I'm excited to do it. I'm just trying to figure out where I'm gonna, like, how do I want to mount it, where do I want to mount it. I'm pretty sure it's basically simple as that. It's not really a need to where it needs to go. It's just as long as I have it set up and try to keep my oil cool. I think this is the best thing I've done. And the next step, my next plan would be going with the stage 3 clutch. But on top of that, I'm debating if I wanted to do that or just go ahead and run on E85 gas and then go ahead and get it tuned. There's a lot of options out there. Finally getting off for work. What a day this is. Ready to go, Itachi? Okay, so I actually got my oil cooler right here, which I'm gonna go ahead and install it. I didn't get a big one. I got a 16. So does it sound much play? I can't remember. Anyways, yeah, I got this and get ready to install it. It's a universal. It's not really like a Mishimoto, which I really wanted that, but eventually down the line I will upgrade to a Mishimoto. But other than that, as long as I got one of these to keep the oil cool, that's all that matters. Let's go ahead and get that started. Alright, so it took me kind of quite some time. It took me a little bit longer than expected. I'm going to put the subframe back on. I took this off to begin with. I did get this in there until I get me another one. I'm just going to leave it as is. I did get it down onto the frame and I have it going up under here. And I turned on the car, make sure I had no leaks. There was no leaks at all. And yeah, I mean, it looks pretty good. So I drove to work this morning at 4 something this morning, and all the way there, I kid you not, my oil was at 180 just normally driving. That is amazing. It feels great to know the oil stays cooler and the oil cooler that I bought works. So no complaints. I'm enjoying this. And I didn't really do much of a, I guess how-to or whatever. But it's pretty much straightforward. But it literally took me a few hours, 4 hours, to put it all together. Whoops. But yeah, so finally made it home. It drove great. Air was sitting at about 180 most of the way until I started like and until I started flooring it and and see how hot it would get. But it only got to about 200. So For all Z owners, I recommend this. It's something that's well worth it, and it's a bang for the buck. So, trust me, you will never regret it if you get a oil cooler. Took me a while to finally get it, but finally got it. So, until next time, I don't know what I'm going to do next. I'm still trying to figure out what's the next thing I'm going to install. Until next time, like, subscribe. Until next time, guys. If you like, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and comment below. Thanks, guys. Until next time.